What if intelligence wasn't just about solving math problems fast or getting high grades, but about the habits your brain naturally develops? Neuroscience shows that people with exceptionally high cognitive ability tend to share certain everyday behaviors, habits that often go unnoticed or are even misunderstood. In this video, we're going to explore 5 habits scientifically associated with extremely high intelligence, based on findings from psychology and neuroscience. And you might be surprised because some of these habits don't look impressive at all on the surface. Let's begin. Habit 1: talking to yourself. If sometimes you talk to yourself while thinking, planning, or solving problems, that's not weird. It's actually a sign of high intelligence. Neuroscience shows that speaking thoughts out loud activates additional brain networks, especially areas involved in memory, planning, and self regulation, like the prefrontal cortex. Highly intelligent individuals often externalize thoughts to organize complex ideas, simulate decisions, and improve problem solving. Talking to yourselves helps the brain process information more efficiently, almost like turning your mind into a dialogue instead of a monologue. In other words, your brain is running simulations. So next time someone says, "Why are you talking to yourself?" just now your brain might be working overtime. Habit 2: constant curiosity in questioning everything. High IQ individuals rarely accept information at face value. They constantly ask, why, how, what if this is wrong? Neuroscientists link this habit to high activity in the dopaminergic reward system, which motivates exploration and learning. Their brains literally reward them for discovering new information. This curiosity often shows up as jumping between topics, researching random questions at night, or diving deeply into subjects others ignore. To outsiders, it might look like distraction, but internally the brain is connecting patterns and building massive mental maps. Highly intelligent people don't just consume information, they interrogate it. Habit 3: overthinking and mental simulation. One common struggle among highly intelligent people is overthinking. Their brains constantly simulate scenarios, future outcomes, conversations, risks, possibilities. Neuroscience links this to an active default mode network. These systems involved in self reflection and imagination. This network helps humans predict and plan. But when highly active, it can lead to anxiety, rumination, or difficulty relaxing. The upside? These mental simulations improve problem solving and decision making. The downside? The brain rarely turns off. High intelligence often comes with a mind that is always running. Habit 4: enjoying being alone. People with very high cognitive ability often prefer solitude. Research suggests intelligent individuals experience less dependence on social stimulation for happiness compared to others. Their brains are heavily stimulated internally through thoughts, ideas, and creative processes. This doesn't mean they dislike people. It means solitude gives them mental clarity, uninterrupted thinking, and creative freedom. While others recharge socially, highly intelligent individuals often recharge mentally. And in a noisy world, silence becomes valuable. Habit 5: messy thinking and creative chaos. A surprising trait linked to intelligence is organized chaos. Highly intelligent individuals often have messy desks, irregular routines, or unconventional workflows. The study suggests that less rigid environments encourage creative thinking and flexible problem solving. Their brains prioritize ideas over order. While structured environments favor efficiency, chaotic spaces can stimulate creativity and innovation. To outsiders, it may look disorganized, but inside their minds, patterns will still make sense. Final thoughts. Here's the important part. Having these habits doesn't mean automatically mean someone has a high EQ, and lacking them doesn't mean someone isn't intelligent. Intelligence is complex, involving reasoning, creativity, emotional awareness, adaptability, and much more. But neuroscience suggests that these habits often emerge when the brain processes information at initially high levels. And sometimes the very traits that make life harder, overthinking, isolation, mental restlessness, are signs of a brain built to analyze the world deeply. Closing. So, How many of these habits do you recognize in yourself? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoy psychology and neuroscience content that helps you to understand how your mind really works, make sure to subscribe because understanding your brain might be the smartest move you will ever make in your life. So, see you in the next video.